Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how my best friend cook her pork lechon belly special. I am visiting her and it is very nice that I was able to see live how she prepare her special dish. Those are the main ingredients. We'll just gonna watch her how she do it. Hope you enjoy and learn some good stuff about her dish. Thank you. I learned something new and I'm glad I was able to help her a little bit. She's noodling the garlic. She's noodling the garlic to make it smell good. Now it's ready to eat. It looks really good and it tastes yummy too. Hope you'll cook this meal one day and thank you for watching. Next time again, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.